Hi guys, we're going to make a race this time. So we have all different kind of racing cars. One is the BAtMaN. Let's talk to the driver. Ethan, come here. Let's talk to the driver. Where's the driver? Oh, he's hiding here. So, are you ready for the race now? Yes, I am. I am just waiting. Okay. So we'll be back for you. How about you, Hot Wheels? Are you ready? Show me some music. Okay. That's the music. Whoa. Can I have some more? Okay. Look at that. Wow. You're cool, man. How about you here? Hey. Are you ready for the race?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Can you press the button? Come here. Show me some sounds, Ethan. Hurry up. Press the round button. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so we're gonna race in a few minutes. How about you here? Do you have something for me? Come on, show it to me. Come on. Whoa! What a cool ride! Whoa! Show me one. Show me another one. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Are you guys ready to go? Are you ready for the race?
Yeah.
Okay, Ethan, you have to press the 2.
With these buttons, but this button, it will make it already go.
Yeah, wait. Hurry up. Oh! Whoa! Look at that. How about you here? What are you doing? Oh, you're the slowest. Come on. Show me some score. Woo! Okay, finally you got it. How about you here? You're so fast.
But I got crashed this time.
Why? Okay, one more round. We bumped over there. How about this one? Whoa! We bumped to the train.
Back to the airport. Oh my God, to the airport.
How about you here? Can you give me some more? Okay. Wow! Ta-da! How about the other one, Ethan? Let's see. Oh.
I'm making